The science of cosmology and Vedas is a search for unity in diversity. By Dr. Vidyarthi Nanduri, started research in this field around 1984 under inspiration. The subject of cosmology is a borderland between the sciences and the philosophy. The subject attracts all mankind in search of direction to provide unity in many diversified fields. Is there a higher dimension of science in myths and philosophies? Can Vedas provide more light for the cosmic universe? The scientists start search from the laboratories, then extend the domains of knowledge through Hubble Space Telescope, X-ray astronomy, explorers, satellites, and new probing missions towards Milky Way galaxy and the present day solar eruptions as well. Our galactic home is 100,000 light years wide, and the science can reach up to laser limits of 10 to the power of 16 light years. A number of scientists project dark matter and black holes as ultimate aim, while others look at the universe with a new vision. 99.99% of the universe by volume is a sea of plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter. Equally interesting is that the electromagnetic fields are 10 to the power of 40 times stronger than the gravitational fields. The cosmos is dominated by plasmas and electromagnetic fields, and new models are contemplated for cosmology studies with the space dominated by field-aligned currents. Even Earth is surrounded by three Van Allen belts. Vedas provide flow of knowledge as dictation, and sciences of Vedic knowledge should project comprehension of the entire cosmology. The knowledge expands beyond galactic plane. The cosmic universe is not dark matter or chaos, but a cosmos of shining lights and the cosmic energy beyond. Essentially, there is no field of science or even technology not connected to cosmology. In order to benefit both philosophers and scientists, an interacting center along with regular seminars and workshops have been planned to bridge the communication gaps. Scientists need to expand to the next multidimensional knowledge. Any sponsors are requested to contact author. Now, a few books are presented here which have been started after interaction with IEEE space plasma grooves, a universal plasma energy model, and plasma heater has been presented at the IEEE ICOPS conference in 1991. Now, to answer the different type of questions, this type of Cosmos Quest enlarges the fields through science, philosophy, religion, unity of consciousness, and many other domains of knowledge that forms an interlink to this specific studies, cosmology, East-West interaction. The first book is on plasma vision of the universe, 1993, and it has number of figures, and it introduces the subjects on plasma science, introduction from laboratory to space plasmas, present day universe, overall picture by the space scientists, electromagnetic fields, frequencies, effects on the man, environment, what is plasma vision, new approach to higher dimensional knowledge, the overall view, plasma electromagnetic universe and bioenergy aura. More information to scientists, philosophers and others for comprehension, vision and perception of the universe. So the basic of these, some of these projections go back to the Indian philosophical texts and ancient texts, including Bhagavad Gita, then Puranas, Upanishads and many other related Sanskrit, and also some books are in Telugu. Next book is on the cosmic to prime universe. The plasma regulated electromagnetic universe have been coined by me as PREM, prime universe. The present-day cosmology approach from myths to sciences, direction through universal plasma energy model, and the double magnetic cube vortex process have been introduced in this book. A search for dimensional comprehension automatically includes cosmology and Vedas, science beyond planetary to lesser distance, that is 10 to the power of 16 light years, new projections, float energy universe, a search beyond clusters of galaxies, and it automatically searches how to interlink sources, flows, fields, and reflector concepts. Science beyond divinity of the man, 11 to 14 dimensional universe, scientific aspects from Indian religion and philosophy, an essential search to spiral galaxies, spherical and elliptical galaxies, the cosmic function and cosmic sources. How to define the universe has been a present contemporary subject both in Europe, USA, Australia, and many other countries. The cosmic universe is beyond frame universe. The third book is on the Vedic vision of the universe. It has actually got 3 parts. Only 2 parts have been under the copyrights. The background information is available either through Vedic vision of the universe part 3 or else the frontiers of science. Now, Vedic vision of the universe part 1, August 1996, it integrates the Indian philosophy through Gayatri, and Gayatri forms main, key, subtle energy principles. The earth region is beyond the sun. How galaxy is connected to the human being? Can we specify a 7-dimensional universe? Can we integrate sciences with links from atomic structure to microcosmic universe? Can we define the noble human being? Om Gayatri links to cosmic universe, the cosmic links from galaxy and further to junctions between 10 to the power of 10 and 10 to the power of 16 light years. Sri Narayana, Om Namah Shivaya and Parabrahma are 3-in-1 integration that requires cosmic source, cosmic fields, reflectors, cosmic flows, and essentially forms a key protective index for the universe and multi-universe concepts. The search for higher dimensional knowledge, space and galactic data, the cosmic links, new projections, and the vision start beyond 12 galaxies, Hubble Space Telescope data with new comprehension and dimensional modeling. The Basic Vision of the Universe Part 2, May 1997, it provides the information on the Vedas, Upanishads, Sanskrit shlokas for cosmology research, 3-way interaction, 3-tier projections, universal prayers, Sri Dakshinamurti Stotram, Tatraya Upanishad, Gayatri, Suprabhatam, Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, and Sri Rudra Geetam are otherwise known as Yoga Desam. Sri Narayana Mala, Sri Narayana Upanishad, Om Purusha Suktam, Mantra Pushpam, and many other areas are forming the interlink studies for east-west interaction, which have been missing in most of the Western cosmological studies. The scientific essence of cosmic philosophy is in 1999, the science of philosophy, how far it can be projected, the philosophy of science, how far it can be projected, the divinity, many new projections that help to predict ongoing and future data from explorers, Hubble Space Telescope, and new probe missions, Spinal Cord, Horse Nebula, Cosmic Dance of Shiva, then essential cosmic yoga links and the origins, then that link to Van Allen belts to the universe and beyond. Search for multi-universe is automatically part of these studies. The next book integrates Om Cosmic Consciousness to Cosmology Revision. This forms an essential because of Big Bang Theory needs a revision. The dark matter, dark energy concepts needs new approaches, and many other information are listed in these books. The short form book for neutral vision of divine nature and cosmic vision of the universe. The philosophy in perspective, basic approach to complex science to progress, search beyond Einstein and speed of light. General scientific data, cosmic function, divine nature, the cosmic tree principles, a body, three-tier body center principles have been introduced here. New concepts are paradigm shift, omni cosmic source, time phase relation, and the origin of the universe. Now the next, this book, though it is a workshop book given generally as a form of introduction, but it has taken a little time for registration for US copyrights. This is the unity of consciousness, Om, in science, philosophy and religion. And this has become a necessity today, as I see that three-tier conflicts in the minds are prevalent over continents. The unity of consciousness, cosmic function, questions cosmos. There is a IEEE newsletter that addresses that the science has to go or search beyond the sun and plasma fusion type of experiments, and Sri Tattva Darshana, Earth Glow as an index, Cosmic Vision Part 1, Basic Approach, Cosmic Vision Part 2, Scientific Approach. In December 1999, I have clearly introduced Cosmic Vision of the Universe Part 1 specifically so that new type of science for space cosmology studies will become a necessity for east-west interaction. Yes, close.